Today, we're going to give some real world examples of the law of vibration and how it affects your interactions with other people. And if you're ready for that, let's go. Hey everybody, this is New Thinking, New Life. My name is Steven, and this is a channel on YouTube that talks about self-help, law of attraction, manifesting, and how it all works together to make you better. So I'm sure you've heard of the law of attraction before, right? Well, guess what? We're going to talk about the law of vibration today. Just today, I need you to vibrate me some good energy. If you like this video, it takes $0 for you to help the channel. You just have to hit the like button. You just have to subscribe to the channel. And if you do that, why don't you tell me in the subscription about the subscription in the comment box below? I will reply to you personally. I reply to every single person. I'll be the one with the head that's all orangey and bluish. That'll be me. Okay, so the law of vibration, the law of attraction. How is it that we can cite real world examples of all this? Okay, so you have been standing in line before and you heard somebody on the phone and they were fighting with somebody. And you kind of heard that and you felt that vibe, law of vibration. You guys have seen a crazy person screaming and ranting and raving at something at the air, law of vibration. If you felt like you didn't want to go over to that person, they are vibrating horrible energy out of their system. You also know that person at work that is really intense and they just seem really like on edge and stuff like that. Law of vibration. Maybe you've experienced before having an experience where you have a really bad interaction with somebody and then without even realizing it, you snap out on somebody later that you wouldn't normally snap out at. Now, some folks have a very high emotional intelligence quotient or emotional quotient, which is very good and they will never do that. But for a lot of people, we can be susceptible to that vibrational energy shooting out and wigging out on another person. And you're like, oh man, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I don't know what's up. Well, that's because there are people that vibrate certain energy levels. That's the same reason why you may not get along with particular people, and for whatever reason you just can't figure it out. It's because they're here, you're here. That doesn't have to say they're higher up. You can be here, they could be here, but you're just not going to be able to kind of jive together. It's kind of like having magnets. Magnets have two opposite poles. They have a positive and a negative. Positives and negatives kind of attract to each other, right? And the two that are the same polarity, they repel from each other. And that's just the way it is. If you're not sure what I mean, go get yourself some flat washer magnets that are real strong. You'll notice that those things chase each other. If you put the poles the wrong way, it'll literally shoot the magnet off. Well, that's the way the law of vibration kind of works, guys. If you have a negative day, a negative feeling, a negative energy, a negative vibe, you're going to shoot that out to other people and you're going to get more negative back from those other people, meaning that if a person's in a positive mood and you're in a positive mood and you're anywhere close to the same wavelength on each other on that vibrational frequency, that you'll be able to get something positive out of that person. And it'll get you further towards a goal or a thing that you're trying to do in life, or just give you a positive experience which makes you happy. And the happiness makes another person happy, and happy begets happiness. But negative energy can beget negative energy. So if you want to have a positive experience with your life, you have to exude positive vibrational energy. How can you do that? Well, that's simple. Subscribe to this channel to be able to see more tips and tricks on the law of attraction and self-help stuff. Make sure you make a gratitude list. Make sure you're telling people what you're grateful, telling yourself what you're grateful for, and make sure that you're passing on positive energy whenever you can. Stop saying no as much as you possibly can. Say, I agree with you, but here we go. Here's my position. Smile when you say it. Be able to listen to other people's ideas. And above all else, look at life and look at the positives in life and focus on the positives in life, because there's a good chance that if you're lucky enough to be watching this video on a device or a computer or somewhere where you have the internet, you're doing better than a lot of people in this world. I'm not saying you don't have a hard life. You might, but you still have the ability to improve it every single day. My name's Steven. This is New Thinking, New Life. Hey, like this channel? Hey, if you subscribe, that's great. Leave a message in the box that say, I subscribed, and I will reply back to you, because I love to hear that people subscribe. And I hope one day to touch 1 million people through my YouTube videos. 1 million subscribers, that's my goal. That's my positive goal. What's your positive goal? Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.